Let's be real, lovelies. Almost everyone is online, and so is the money. Did you know that over 5 billion people use smartphones globally? And 60% of freelance workers directly do it from home with their phones. Even better, people are making real money from home, doing simple tasks, posting videos like me, even selling digital products. And guess what? You can do it too. Why not? What are you waiting for? Let's look at 5 of the easiest ways to make money online this season, even if you're starting without experience. Don't forget this, people. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm bringing for you the things that are working for me, that are working for people around the world with their smartphones. To you, my royal fans, my royal viewers, the people who really engage our videos, I love you so much. And to you, students, thanks for loving Immaculate Shrine. Thanks for giving it really a chance to learn from there. What I want you to do, go ahead, subscribe, and share to your friends such that they can learn these things that we are going to talk about. There are 5 easy ways to make money online with real examples today, and even at least I'll give you some statistics. One of the ways to make money is to get paid to take surveys and complete micro tasks. This is purely for beginners. I was looking through some of my survey and I found out a college girl called Sarah. She spent 30 minutes a day on apps. These apps, when I went down, I found she always on inbox dollars and swag banks, and she earns around $50 to $100 per month in gift cards and even PayPal cash. Look at it. It's not a full-time job, but it's easy for you to adapt some things. You guys, let me tell you, it's very easier when you have some money on you and you can buy for yourself a ticket to go and watch some movie. You can buy for yourself a mocktail. You can take your friends out. You cannot be there and you say, I don't have credit. That is very good. Get paid to take surveys is very easy. These micro tasks are very easy. They don't need skills. They don't need anyone to be maybe to be there and say that you're going to commit it 100% your work on it. No, you can do it even when you're watching a movie, watching Netflix, and they are available worldwide. And I give you some of the apps. You go to Swagbucks, you go Ysense, and even Toruna. These are the common ones that you can go and start from. 2 is selling photos. After selling photos, you can even use simple design from your phones. You guys, you don't need to look for a very complicated iPhone smartphone, the latest Samsung S25. No way. It's very easy. I saw one of the guy called Jay, a smartphone photographer lover. He uploads pictures for WAP. I remember I brought for you this platform called WAP some time back. He makes $5 per download. One sunset photo made him $150 from multiple sales. What about it? You're always taking photos and put it on Facebook. I see some people when they say Facebook, it for me. Sometimes I just smile because what can we do? But today is your chance. Start using your photos and even using your skills. Why is it very easy, this method? You just snap photos with your phone, you upload and earn passively, even greater for creative beginners. Here, you don't need to be an expert. You can start. You can use some of the apps like Top Apps. You can use 4Up. You can use IM. You can use Redbubble and many more for designs. The third one is earn money watching videos or listening to music. We have an example of Maria who uses the current app while working around the house and earns a few extra dollars each week. Here she listens to music and even she checks ads. I did this on, I used to do this on paid work. It was my first dollar that I made. Why is it so easy? It's totally passive, no thinking. There is no effort required. Even it's great with multitasking because you can do different things. Here you can go for inbox dollars, current, and even swagback live. Here you can do this. The fourth way is affiliate marketing through WhatsApp or TikTok. When we are talking about here, you guys, most people are asking me, is it true you can make money through WhatsApp? Yes. David shares affiliate links to Amazon and digital products in WhatsApp groups. And this guy earns commissions every time someone buys. So per month, he can go home with like $200 without creating his own product. It's very easy because there is no product needed here. You can use your phone to share these links and you can grow over time. Here you can go for Amazon Associate, you can go for Digital Store 24, TikTok Creator Marketplace. All these one will help you. Let me bring for you the fifth, which is the smartest. Start a simple print-on-demand store. Lena, this lady, started a cute t-shirt using Canva and uploads them to Redbubble. When someone buys, she gets paid. She makes almost 300 in her first month from just 5 designs. It is very easy because it has no inventory or shipping on your side. It is free to start. You can even upload from your phone, no need to go to a PC. Here you can use Redbubble, you can use Teespring, you can even you go ahead and use Printful. There is no excuse. Me, I know some of you, most people say time, money, this. No, there is no excuse anymore for you. I'm talking about you who have been watching me for years, but you have never taken a step. If you have a phone and internet, you already have what you need to start with making money online. Start small, be consistent, and watch your phone turn into a money-making tool. What are you waiting for, you guys? Now, would you go to the comment section and let me know exactly which one would you want to start with? Or have you already started with one of them? I'm not telling you that it is going to bring for you a romance in a day, in a month, but I'm letting you know that you are going to grow with time. It will even make you have a love, or you make you have love to make more money on other digital products. Even go ahead and even you do content on different platforms. Thank you very much, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.